close by.
Yeah. Here's a 37 Ford Cabriolet. 37 Ford Cabriolet. It's got a late model motor in it there. You can see this. And Cabriolet means convertible, I guess. Chopped convertible roof. Shaved door handles. See the running boards were done over again. Automatic. Got a mirror down there. I don't know what the hell that's for. Yeah. And we got, I don't know if that's freaking regular music or them playing over there. It's them playing or some shit. Anyway, the golfers. Yeah, anyway. You see it's got automatic hinge on, trunk lid, shaved handles and stuff. Let's get around the other side and see what we got here. Just playing this dumbass music here. Powertrain 1996 Corvette LT1350, 96 4-speed overdrive transmission, PPG competition yellow. So shop folding convertible top with polished stainless steel. Oh, stainless steel mechanism in there. Damn, this guy's got some serious bucks, man. Headlights lowered, very slight in front fenders. Didn't even notice that, man, much. Remote doors, windows, trunk. Independent front suspension by Heights. Coil-over shocks, rack and pinion power steering, triangulator 4-link, 8-inch Ford differential with coil-over shocks, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Let's get back and stand here a little bit. Let's hope that music ain't copyrighted. I'm freaking pissing me off. It's stupid music too. But anyway, beautiful ride.